Hi, good morning everyone. Myself, Rajendra Prasad. People call me RP sir. I'm having totally 8 years of experience in this coaching field and 9 years of experience in the teaching field totally. Okay, so these are all the subjects I'll be teaching in Unacademy Plus platform. So those who are new attending my classes, you can just follow my profile at this link, right? You can find this link in the description. My code RP Civil you can find, and this link also, right? Unacademy.com/@RP Civil. If you are following this link, you'll be redirected to Unacademy, and there my profile you can find out. So you can just follow my profile to get the updates on this Unacademy live classes. Okay. So coming to this, these are all the subjects I have taken in Unacademy Plus platform. So we three together teaching in English language mainly in Unacademy Plus platform. RP sir, KP sir, and AR sir. Okay. So RP Civil is the code you have to use for subscribing for Plus courses, right? And if anybody is newly activating also, right? If you are new to Unacademy also, Ragula, good morning. If you are new to Unacademy also, just use this code, right? They will be asking the code when you are registering your profile in Unacademy. Use this code RP Civil and login. Okay. Now, so these are all the courses I have taken, completed, plus courses I have completed in Unacademy Plus platform, and these are also the plus courses I have completed. And full length course on highway is ongoing, actually it is running, it will be up to 25th December, and again on 1st January onwards railway engineering complete course I will be starting, right? Full length course. Next full length course on airport and airport tunnel harbor also I will be starting. On which one? On 13th Jan. Okay, on 13th January to 29th January you can say it. Okay, so these are all the advantages when you are using the code RP Civil and subscribing for plus courses or iconic courses, whatever it is. This is your 50 days PVQ festival. These are all the links for general aptitude, civil, mechanical, ECE, engineering, mathematics, electrical, chemical, CS and AT, right? So these are the links for PVQ classes in different respective branches, right? Right. Coming to this today's class, GATE virtual calculator only. So in last two classes, what we have seen? Only the use of what? In the last two classes, what we have seen? The use of different functions and different keys or functions in this virtual calculator or not? Yes, we have seen, right? Now, specifically, we'll be solving traffic engineering problems, right? Of civil engineering, transportation engineering subject using this virtual calculator, right? Using this virtual calculator, you can say, right? Like that. So this is the virtual calculator we were having. All the numbers and all these functions and keys we were discussed, if you remember. Yes, na? Right. So here this order of operators, right? For this order of operators, which rule we have to follow? BODMAS rule we have to follow or not? Yes or no? First it will be calculating the bracket values. Next it will be calculating which one? Order, means power x square or x cube or x power something like that. Then after that division, then after that multiplication, then after that addition and subtraction, right? So this is a sequence of which one? This is the sequence of calculations this calculator, any normal calculator will be doing, right? This is a sequence of calculations any normal calculator is doing, if you just observe. Yes, na? Right. So if you just observe, we are entering as it is like this, right? 4 by 2, 4 by 2 we are having, right? 4 divided by 2 is there, right? So this already we have seen in yesterday's class. So this one, if you just observe, these kind of equations also will be getting mostly. We'll just look at this and we'll go for the transportation, traffic engineering problems. Okay. So here 0.45, right? 0.45 cos 12. So means cos 12, this is degrees, right? Cos 12 degrees, right? 0.45 cos 12 degrees divided by 1 minus 0.45 sin 12 degrees, right? So tell me which one we have to enter first. Which one we have to enter first? Which one we have to enter first? How to enter, how to start our calculations, if we just observe. We have to start our calculations, right? We have to start our calculations with which one? Clear all first, right? Yes or no? Clear all we have to enter. Then we have to select the mode as what? Degree. Mode we have to ensure that that must be selected as what? Degree. Okay, because these are in degrees, no? Yes. Once the mode is selected as degree, so which one we have to calculate? Numerator we have to calculate or denominator we have to calculate first? Which one we have to calculate first? Numerator we have to calculate or denominator we have to calculate first? If we just observe, denominator we have to calculate first, right? Always what you will try to do, because in our traffic engineering problems also the similar kind of situation will come across. So whenever this kind of problem is there, which one we have to calculate first? Denominator you calculate first, right? Denominator first and then the numerator, right? All of you, denominator first and then numerator we have to calculate it. What is the denominator? You can say 1. We can enter na? Yes, 1 you enter. After entering this one, what you need to enter? Minus you have to enter. After minus 0.45 you enter, and multiplication symbol asterisk you enter, and then what we need to do? Open a bracket here, right? Open a bracket here, right? Why we have to open a bracket here? What is the reason? Why we have to open a bracket here? Why we have to open a bracket here? Because we have to write this 12 first, right? Sin 12 first, then sin x we have to select, right? Then sin x we have to select, right? So 12 first, then sin x we have to enter, right? So first we need to enter these numbers 12 degrees, and then we have to select which one? This is sin, right? And we have to select which one? This is sin, you can say, right? This is sin, you can say. So is that clear? So like that you are getting, right? And press equality symbol. After pressing that equality symbol, you will be getting some value or not? You will be getting some value or not? So what we need to do here, if we just observe 1 minus 0.45 sin degree 12, you will be getting some value. Then what we need to do? By pressing this 1 by x key, we need to use which key here? We need to use this 1 by x key, so that what will happen? Reciprocal of that will be calculated, right? So what we need to do here, if we just observe, reciprocal 1 by x key we have to press, then equality symbol. So after this 1 by x and equality symbol, what we need to do? Again you start with this multiplication, then you then multiplication symbol, after that 0.45, then again multiplication symbol, then what we need to do? Open a bracket, you write which one? 12 sin, then you press equality symbol. So like that you are getting, right? Like that you are getting, right? So what you are doing here, in 3 steps I am explaining it. First we need to calculate the denominator, 1 minus 0.45 into sin degree. Reciprocal of this one you calculate in the second step. After that you multiply with the 0.45, then cos 12 degree, right? Like that we are solving this. Okay, so whenever this kind of problem is there, first we need to solve the denominator, then we have to go for which one? Numerator, right? Then we have to go for which one? Numerator, you can say, right? Like that. Now here what we need to do? Shall we look the same thing in the real virtual calculator? I have given the screenshots, but we'll look in the real virtual calculator. Yes, na? Yes, we'll solve it in the real virtual calculators. Clear all? The degree is there. So what is that you are having? What is that you are having? If you just observe, 1 minus 0.45 sin 12 na, the denominator. 1 minus 0.45 into, right? Open a bracket, sorry, backspace na, right? Sorry, clearer. 1 minus 0.45, yes or no, into what is that? Suppose if you just write it 12, we'll just check it, right? We'll just check it to avoid confusion, okay? First you will write it 12 and then sign if you are applying for that. So sign 12 you are taking, right? So what we need to do, after pressing that 12, if you are entering the sign, it is giving a good value only, right? It is giving correct value only, right? It is giving correct value only. But with before pressing the equality symbol, we have to do it, right? Before pressing the equality symbol, we have to do it, right? Before pressing that equality symbol, we have to do it, right? So this is in degrees, 1 minus 0.45 into sine degree, right? Like that you have to do it, right? 1 minus 0.45 into sine degrees, right? Sine degree how much? 12 degree. So what is the total value? Equality symbol when you press 0.906 you are getting. So this is what you have got or not? 0.906 we have got or not? Yes. Then what we need to do? 1 by x reciprocal of this one. Reciprocal of that one. Press equality symbol. Into. What is the next one? Into what is the next one you have to multiply? This numerator we have to multiply, right? So B Patil, good morning. Which one we have to multiply? 0.45 into cos 12 we have to multiply. So into that, into which one? 0.45. Okay, press equality symbol, right? Press equality symbol. Then you press 12, right? It's gone everything. And then what we need to do? Nothing is there. Everything is gone. So what we need to do? Before applying this everything, we have to use what? The corresponding we have to use, right? Star we have star we have forgotten. Multiplication symbol we have forgotten. Everything has gone. So you have to be careful. So 1 minus which one? 0.45 into what is that? If you just write it 12 sine. So like that you are getting equality symbol. Reciprocal of this one you are getting into 0.45. Okay, equality symbol. Then into. Then you write which one? Sine cos 12 again, right? So 12 degrees of which one? Cos function, right? So like that. So then 12 degrees of cos function, then you will be getting the answer as 0.4855. So here if you just observe, what is that answer you have got? 0.4855 you have got na? Yes, no, 0.4855 you have got it na? Yes, 0.4855 we have got it, right? Like that. So Hasadullah, good morning. Like that we have got, right? So is that clear? Whenever this numerator and denominator stuff is there, which one we have to solve, is that clear? Whenever this numerator and denominator type is there, which one is better to solve first? Numerator we solve first or denominator we solve first, all of you? Denominator we solve first, and this denominator you multiply with which one? Numerator, right? Denominator you multiply with which one? Numerator, you can say, right? So this is what the procedure you can say, because this kind of in our which one yes na? So in our problem solving we will be having numerator and denominator sometimes na. That is the reason I explained that before entering into the questions. Okay, so these are another examples, right? These are another examples you can say. These are another examples you can say. You can solve it like this. These are the examples you can say. You can just take the screenshots after that, then you'll be understanding. Okay, now we'll be solving these questions, right? Now we are entering into the transportation engineering, traffic engineering questions, right? Shall we proceed, all of you? Shall we proceed? Yes, na? If the spot speeds in kmph are 50, 40, 60, 54 and 45. So these are the spot speeds given for a particular road. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 are given. Then time mean speed and space mean speed in kmph are. Okay. Time mean speed and space mean speed in kmph are. Okay. Tell me anyone, what is the time mean speed equation? Time mean speed equal to Vt equal to how much it will be? Time mean speed equal to Vt equal to how much? Is it not that arithmetic mean, all of you? V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus so on divided by n. Is it not the time mean speed, all of you? Is it not the time mean speed, all of you? V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus so on Vn divided by which one? N, number of vehicles, right? That is your time mean speed, you can say. Yes, na? Yes. Bala Sahib, correct. And what are these values? 50 plus 40 plus 60 plus 54 plus 45 divided by how many speeds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 speeds are there divided by 5. Now tell me, it is easy to calculate or difficult to calculate using virtual calculator? It is easy to calculate or difficult to calculate using virtual calculator if you just observe all of you. First what we need to do? Enter this clear all. Easy now? Enter this clear all. After entering this clear all, what we need to do? First we need to enter 50, then plus we have to enter, then 40 we have to enter, then plus we have to enter, then 60 we have to enter, then again plus symbol we have to enter, then again 54 we have to enter, then again plus symbol we have to enter, then again 45 we have to enter, then equality symbol. Okay, is it not? So that is very easy, no? So don't use normal calculator, all of you. Bala Sahib, Asadullah, did you use normal calculator or virtual calculator for this? Use virtual calculator. Normal calculator we have solved this many times now, but we will use virtual calculator here, right? But we will use virtual calculator here, right? So what is that? First we will enter clear all 50 plus 40 is na plus 60 plus after that, after 60 what is the value you are having? 50, 40, 60, 54 and 45, right? Plus 54 plus 45, okay, equality symbol, right? Like that you are getting, right? 249 you are getting, right? 249 you are getting, right? After getting this, what we need to do? We need to enter which value? We need to enter this divided by symbol, then 5 we have to enter, then after that equality symbol. Is it not? Yeah, Bala Sahib, you just search in the Google uh, GATE virtual calculator, you can get it, right? I'm using in laptop only now. I'm using in laptop only now. You can use that. Are you there in the Telegram group? Our Telegram group, Bala Sahib? So you are getting this value, equality symbol we have pressed. Then after that, divided by symbol, then 5. So 49.8 you are getting, right? 49.8 you are getting. Bala Sahib, are you there in the Telegram group? Sorry. Are you there in the Telegram group? No? You are not there in the Telegram group. If you are not there in the Telegram group, you just 49.8, which one? KMPH, right? So just to try to join this Telegram group, or I'll be writing somewhere here at my profile name. I'll be writing. Okay, t.me, right? ENGGGURU, right? You just type this in your and you can join here, right? You can join here. I'm just sending that. I'm just sending that link in that group. Okay, I am just sending that link in that group. Okay, you just try to download it. Okay, GATE virtual calculator link I'll be sending. Just you try to download it to the PC, right? To the PC, right? If you are in the Telegram group, right? So t.me, right? Which one you join? This is t.me / engineering group. Okay, just a minute, I'll be sending it. Okay, so here in this website you can find it. I'm just sending the link. Just a minute. Did you join this group, Bala Sahib? Did you join this Telegram channel? Right. So I have just shared it, right? I have just shared it. I have just shared it. Those who are not having this GATE virtual calculator for PC or laptop, you just try to download it, right? I have just shared the link in the group. You just try to download it, okay? For the PC. Right. We'll move on to our problem then. Right. So here, this is how we are calculating the time mean speed, right? So is that clear, everyone? The time mean speed, how to get it? Next is space mean speed. Yes, how can you get this space mean speed, all of you? Space mean speed is a arithmetic mean or harmonic mean, right? No, don't search it. Uh, which one you are not getting? Which one you are not getting? Or group you are not getting? You are not getting in, or you are not getting the virtual calculator? Yeah, actually I cannot pin it here, right? I cannot pin that link here because I am operating from third party side. So don't search in the Telegram, okay? Bala Sahib, don't search in the Telegram. Open a web browser, right? Okay, open a web browser, right? Open a web browser. Open a web browser, right? Chrome or whatever it is, right? Open a Chrome or whatever it is. Then you type which one? This HTTP, or simply you can type which one in the browser, right? In the browser, right? Chrome, right? In the Chrome or Mozilla or whatever it is, in the browser you type this one, okay? In the browser you type this, right? Not in the Telegram group, right? Not in the Telegram group. In the browser you type this, you'll be getting this, right? I cannot pin it here actually, right? Because I'm operating from OBS, and I cannot pin it actually, right? I can just only stream, okay? If it is Unacademy app, I can operate, no, I can pin that also, no problem. But here I'm operating from other side, right? There is no full access to the faculty from this, okay? Just open a browser. In the browser, that search in that browser bar, link bar, you just try to type this one and press enter. Then you'll be getting, that will be easy to get, okay? Now, what is that space mean speed? Space mean speed Vs equal to what? Arithmetic mean of the speeds or harmonic mean of the speeds, all of you? Time mean speed is your arithmetic mean. Space mean speed is what? Harmonic mean. Na? So 1 divided by what? 1 divided by which one? 1 by V1 plus 1 by V2 plus 1 by V3 plus so on, like this. So what you are having? So this is slightly some critical problem, na? Yes or no? Here comes the usage of calculator, na? Yes or no? Here the actual usage of calculator comes into picture. Is it not, all of you? 1 divided by, what is that? 1 by 50 plus 1 by 40 plus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 54 plus 1 by 45. So now tell me first which one you have to enter. We have to enter the numerator first or denominator first? We have to enter the numerator first or denominator first? We have to enter the numerator first, no? Yes or no? We have to enter the numerator first. So can we enter directly like first clear all, then after clear all 1 divided by 50, then again plus 1 divided by 40. Do you have any problem while entering like this? Do you have any problem while entering like this? we do not have any problem, right? Why? Because the bod mass rule, right? Because of this bod mass rule, which calculation is done first? According to this bod mass rule, which calculation is done first? First bracket calculation it will do, then power calculation it will do, then a division calculation, after only addition calculation will do. First it will do division calculation, then after that only it will do addition calculation. Is it not, all of you? So you may get a doubt there. What is the doubt you are getting? Sir, if you are entering like this, will it be calculating, right? Will it be calculating 50 plus 1? No. First it will be calculating 1 by 50, division operator. After this division operator only, it will go for the plus operator. Okay, is that clear? That bod mass rule, right? If you are thorough with this bod mass rule, you can identify whether it is correct or not, right? After that 1 by 40, next 1 you enter. After that divided by symbol, then 60 you enter. So will it calculate sorry, 40 plus, right? After this plus is there, after this again this is there. Okay, okay, you're just late. Good day. Okay, 1 minute, I'll just write this and I'll go for that. Okay, don't worry. So 1 in 60, 1 by 60, right? After that we have to enter plus. Now do you have any problem? 1 divided by 60, right? 1 divided by 60, it will be calculating 1 by 60 only, right? It will be calculating 1 by 60, then only it will be going for the plus operator, right? After that 1, then divided by, then 54. Yes, now then after that plus, again 1, again divided by, again which one? 45. After that equality symbol you have to press it, right? Equality symbol you have to press it, right? You will be getting some denominator value. Then what you need to do? 1 by x reciprocal of this one we have to calculate now. Then again equality symbol, right? That is your final answer. Okay, that is your final answer you will be getting, right? So good day, I'll be just going through this, don't worry. Yeah, this is the first one, right? That bod mass rule I have mentioned. First bracket calculations it will do. After that order, or first it will look at the bracket calculations. Once the bracket calculations are completed, then only it will be going for the order or power calculations. Then after power calculations are over, divided by division calculations it will do. After division calculations, multiplication calculations, then after that only addition and subtraction calculations it will be doing, right? This is your bod mass rule. Now so this already we have seen in the last class, right? How to do it. This one I have explained here, right? This is the procedure writing. First we need to calculate whenever numerator and denominator are there, numerator and denominator are having some numbers, it is better you calculate the denominator first and then you have to go for the numerator, right? Denominator first and then numerator, right? Like that, this is the procedure. So these are the keys entering, right? These are the examples I have mentioned. How to enter for each and every of them. Okay, now we have solved this question, right? That's it. So shall we solve it by virtual calculator now, all of you? Shall we solve it by virtual calculator now, all of you? Shall we solve it by virtual calculator now, all of you? We'll solve it by virtual calculator. The second one, first we need to clear all. Just know the time and speed we have calculated now. Yes. After that, what you are having? After that, what is that there? 1 by 50 plus 1 by 40 plus 1 by 60. Clear all? 1 by 50. Equality symbol you have to press, right? Equality symbol you have to press, right? Then after that, plus, right? So you should not forget equality symbol, right? After 1 by 50 there comes which one? Equality symbol, right? Then plus, then which one? Then plus, right? Then plus, right? Then 1 by 40 equality symbol, then plus. Okay, 1 by 60, then equality symbol, right? Then plus, then 1 by 54, then equality symbol, right? Then plus. Okay, 1 by 45, then equality symbol, right? Like that we have to go for. Okay, is that clear? Every time this equality symbol 1 by 50, 1 by 40, right? Plus what you are having? 1 divided by 40. Yes, now equality symbol, right? Plus 1 by 40. Yes, na? Plus 1 by 40. Plus what you are having? 1 divided by 60. Yes, na? Plus 1 by 60, right? Plus 1 by 60, right? Equality symbol. Okay? Without equality symbol, don't go for the next one, right? Without equality symbol, don't go for the next one, right? Plus 1. Oh, sorry. I forgot this equality symbol, plus symbol. Okay, let it be. We'll be going from starting 1 divided by which one? 60 first. Then equality symbol. Okay? After equality symbol only, we have to go for the plus symbol, right? Go for plus symbol. Then 1 divided by what? 50. Equality symbol. Yes, na? Equality symbol. Then after equality symbol, don't go for the value directly. Go for the plus value. Then that will be added automatically. Then 1 divided by what? 1 divided by what? I will be showing it again. Don't worry, all of you. 1 by 60, sorry, 1 by 50, 1 by 40, 1 by 60 are there now. So listen carefully, all of you. Again I am doing it. 1 divided by which one first? 1 divided by 50. 1 divided by 50 equality symbol, plus 1 divided by which one? 40 equality symbol, plus again 1 divided by which one? 60 equality symbol, plus again 1 divided by what? 54 equality symbol, again plus 1 divided by which one? 45 equality symbol, right? You are getting this value, right? You are getting this value, right? But what we need to do? We need to calculate the reciprocal of this one. Na? When you are calculating the reciprocal of this one, you will be getting this one, right? When you are calculating the reciprocal of this one, you have to get it, right? We have to get it like this, right? So, but actually, what is that value? But actually, what is that value? You are getting it some other value or not? Yes or no? You are getting it some other value or not? Yes. Where you have done mistake if you just observe. So, if you just observe, all of you listen it carefully. All of you listen to this carefully. 1 divided by what? 50. Okay. You are getting some value. Plus, after that, 1 divided by what? 40. Okay. Again, plus 1 divided by which one? 60. Equality symbol, right? Then plus 1 divided by which one? 54 equality symbol. Yes, na? Then plus 1 divided by which one? 45 equality symbol you are getting, right? Equality symbol you are getting, right? Then after getting this, what you need to do? Reciprocal of this one if you calculate, right? Reciprocal of this one if you calculate, you are getting which one? That 9.76, right? Do you understand where we have done mistake? This 1 by n is there now. Here if you just observe, right? Yes or no? 1 by n comes into picture now. Here this 1 by 5 is there now. So this 5 will go to numerator or not? Yes or no? This 5 will go to numerator. So it will go to numerator there. Then if you are multiplying with 5, then you are getting the answer, right? Yes or no? Multiply with which one? 5. 48.82 we are getting. Okay? Is that clear all of you? Where you have done mistake? 48.5, right? You should not be forgetting this, right? After getting this, after writing this equality symbol, what we need to do? What we need to do? Reciprocal 1 by x, right? Sorry. After doing this 1 by x equality symbol, then what we need to go for here? After this multiplication symbol, then 5 comes into picture, then equality symbol. So is that clear all of you? Is that clear all of you? What we have to do it after doing this, right? After doing this and after reciprocating it, after applying the reciprocal, we have to calculate the reciprocal of this 5 also. Now 5 will go to numerator and 5 into that one it will become, right? 5 into that one it will become, right? Yes, now. So this is where the 5 will come, right? 5 will come divided by, and this entire one will be as it is. Okay, like that. So is that clear all of you? How to calculate this space mean, speed, harmonic mean? Is that clear all of you? 1 by 1 by n into 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3 plus so on like this. Is that clear all of you? Somebody tell me, is that clear? It is clear or not? Denominator once. Okay, I'll be just doing it again in the new slide. Okay, denominator one more time. Okay, so here I'll be just writing it here again and I'll be doing it. Okay, don't worry. So here what is that space mean speed Vs equal to 1 by 5 into 1 by 50 plus 1 by 40 plus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 54 plus 1 by 45, right? So first I'll be writing this here, right? First I'll be writing this here, then we'll go for the calculation. Okay, now first we need to go for the clear all, then denominator we have to calculate it, then denominator we have to calculate it, denominator we have to calculate it. What we'll calculate here? We'll calculate first now. What is that? 1 divided by symbol and then 50. So you'll be getting some value, right? You'll be getting some value. Then after that, what we need to do? Equality symbol we have to go for. So 1 in 50 you are getting. But what we need to do? We have to add plus which one? 1 again. After this one, divided by symbol again 40, right? 1 by 40 we have entered. Then after that, what we need to do? Directly don't go for this, go for the equality symbol again. So 1 by 50 plus 1 by 40 we got some value, right? Again after that 1 again divided by symbol, after that 60, after that equality symbol, right? After that equality symbol, right? After equality symbol, what we need to do for? After that, what we need to do for? Right here equality symbol. After equality symbol, what is that? Plus will be there na? Yeah, this one plus we have to add here na, forgot. Okay, plus we have to add here. If you just observe, plus 1 by 40 equality we have got. Then after that plus, after that 1 divided by symbol 60, then equality symbol. Immediately after equality symbol, plus symbol. Immediately after equality symbol, plus symbol, right? Like that. After equality symbol, plus symbol you have to write, right? After that 1, then divided by symbol, after that 54. Then you go for equality immediately. Then after equality, plus is there na, plus 1 is there, again divided by symbol, then 45 is there. Then after that, what we need to do? Equality symbol, right? So now we are getting this bracket value. So is that clear, all of you? When you are applying this, we will be getting this bracket value, right? We are applying this, we are getting this bracket value, right? So is that clear up to this? Is that clear up to this? So we'll just see this. We'll just see this in the calculator, then we'll proceed further. Okay, that is better. We'll just see this in the calculator, then we'll proceed further. So here, what we need to do? 1 divided by 50, equality symbol. So that is what we have done now. 1 divided by 50 equality symbol. 1 divided by 50 equality symbol. After equality symbol, what comes? Plus 1 divided by 40, then equality symbol, right? Yes, now plus 1 divided by 40 equality symbol. Immediately after equality symbol, plus, then 1 divided by 60, yes, now equality symbol. So 1 by 50 plus 1 by 40 plus 1 by 60, immediately after equality symbol, plus symbol you press it, right? After that 1 divided by 54, yes, now equality symbol, yes, now. So immediately after equality symbol, what you need to go for? Plus symbol. 1 divided by 45 equality symbol, right? Like that. So is that clear, all of you? Up to this point, is that clear? Is that clear, all of you, up to this point? Is that clear up to this point, all of you? If this calculation denominator, that bracket value, right? Only this denominator bracket value we have done till now, right? Only which one you calculated? This denominator bracket value only we have calculated, right? Is this clear? Good day. If it is clear, we'll proceed further. Is this clear? Is this clear? Good day. Yes, na? So now what is there? What else is there? This entire value divided by 5 is also there, na? Yes or no? This entire value divided by 5 is there, na? Yes or no? We can do it in two manners. First we will calculate the reciprocal of this bracket, multiply with 5. First we will calculate the reciprocal of this bracket and multiply with 5, or in the bracket itself that 5 will be using, right? In the bracket itself that 5 will be using it here, right? So what we can do here, divided by 5 na, yes or no? This entire bracket value divided by 5 na, yes na? So this entire, then next what we need to do, after equality symbol, go for divided by symbol, then 5. Then we'll be getting denominator value totally, right? Then you are getting denominator value totally. But after getting the denominator value, 1 by x key you select, then you will be getting the reciprocal equality symbol, then you will be getting the answer here. Okay. So in the denominator, finally we are calculating here. So that bracket value divided by which one? 5. The bracket value we have got divided by what? 5. Then you are getting some value. Okay. Then reciprocal of this one, what is that? 48.82 we have got. Okay, reciprocal of this one, what is it you have got finally? 48.82 kmph. So which one? 49.8 and 48.82. Which option is correct? Option A is correct. So is that clear all of you? How to do this calculation? Is that harmonic mean? Is that clear all of you? Is that harmonic mean? Is that clear all of you? Is that harmonic mean clear all of you? If it is clear, I will move on to the next question. Somebody respond. Somebody respond. I'm waiting for your response. So actually I need to look at your comments in my mobile, right? I should also open like you in my mobile, and you should read your comments and I should answer here, right? Is that clear everyone? Yes, na? Okay. So if the standard deviation of the spot speed of vehicles in a highway is 8.8 kmph, what is that standard deviation sigma? 8.8 kmph. Then, and the mean speed of the vehicles is 33 kmph, right? What is the mean speed of these vehicles, V bar? 33 kmph, right? 33 kmph is the mean speed of the vehicles, right? Then the coefficient of variation of the speed is, right? What is that coefficient of variation? Mean value divided by sigma. So means 33 divided by what? 8.8, right? It is a very simple calculation now. Do you have any problem with this? It is very easy and very simple calculation now. First clear all. After clear all, you enter 33. After that divided by symbol. After that 8.8. Then equality symbol. That's it. Very simple. So from mathematics we know that coefficient of variation equal to which one? Mean divided by standard deviation or not? Yes. Clear all? Mean is 33 divided by standard deviation. It is reverse. It is reverse. So which one is it is? Standard deviation, right? Coefficient of variation equal to what? Coefficient of variation equal to which one? Standard deviation divided by mean value, right? Standard deviation divided by mean value, right? Standard deviation by mean value. Standard deviation by mean value means, so this is wrong actually. Okay. Coefficient of variation equal to standard deviation by mean value. So standard deviation by mean value means what? First you enter clear all. So this is 8.8 divided by 33. After clear all, you enter 8.8. Then you enter divided by symbol. Then 33. Then equality symbol, right? That is what. Sorry, I forgot. By mistake I have written reverse. Coefficient of variation is what? Standard deviation by mean value. Yes, na? We'll do it here. Clear all. What is the standard deviation? 8.8 is the standard deviation divided by 33 is the mean value, equality symbol, right? 0.266667. What is the value you are getting here? So actually this control Z will not work here, right? This control Z will not work here. 0.2667. Okay, 0.2667 we are having here, right? Okay, is that clear, all of you? I need to raise it completely. Control Z will not work here in PPT actually. Okay, control Z will not work in PPT, right? That control Z will not work in PPT. Okay, coefficient of variation equal to standard deviation by mean value. So the standard deviation is given as 8.8. Mean value is given as which one? 33 kmph, right? So what is that coefficient of variation then? 8.8 divided by mean value 33, right? 0.266. Okay, so no, I'm just taking problems from traffic engineering. I'm taking, and in the next classes, next to two more classes I'm having, right? One payment design I'm taking, one geometry design class also I'm taking, right? I'm just touching some problems, most frequent problems. Okay, clear all we have to enter first. After this clear all, what we need to do for? Yeah, only gate, right? Only gate. 8.8 we have to enter. Then after that 8.8 divided by symbol, then 33, then equality symbol. So then we'll be getting which one? 0.26667 something. So option C is the correct answer. Right. Now here generally in GATE 2020 question, if you just observe, this is a GATE 2020 question. 24-hour traffic count at a road section was observed to be 1000 vehicles. Means this is 1000 vehicles per day, vehicle count of the day. On a Tuesday, right? It was observed for which one? Tuesday in the month of July. July, Tuesday, right? In the month of July, for a particular Tuesday, this was the traffic observed, right? In Tuesday of July, they have observed that 1000 vehicles per day is present. If the daily adjustment factor for Tuesday is 1.121 and a monthly adjustment factor for July is 0.913, then the annual average daily traffic rounded up to the nearest integer is. Actually, these adjustment factors or conversion factors or expansion factors, what they will be doing? Daily average to weekly average to monthly average to yearly average, they'll be converting. So what we need to find out here? AADT, average annual daily traffic, means it is the 1 year average value or not? AADT means it is 1 year average value or not? Yes. So volume count for 1 day into daily conversion factor, daily factor. So it will be converting the daily traffic to which one? Weekly traffic. Okay. Yes or no? This is the adjustment factor you consider for that. Then if you are multiplying with this weekly factor WF, then corresponding week, for this corresponding week you are getting Tuesday traffic to which one? Tuesday traffic to which one? Weekly traffic, weekly average traffic you are getting. When you are multiplying with this, which one? Seasonal factor or monthly factor? So no. Daily factor, if you are multiplying with, what will happen? Volume daily traffic to weekly traffic. When you are multiplying with weekly adjustment factor, weekly traffic to monthly traffic. When you are multiplying with seasonal factor or monthly factor, you can say, then it will be converted to which one? Monthly traffic to average yearly traffic, right? Simply if you just observe, what is that AADT, you can say 1000 into what? Daily factor is given as what? Daily factor for this Tuesday is what? 1.121 into what is the weekly factor? What daily volume of the day we know, daily factor we know, but weekly factor it is not given, so 1 you assume. When weekly factor is not given, this is GATE 2020 question, right? When this weekly factor is not given, you take it as 1. And again, seasonal factor or monthly factor is what? 0.913. Like that. So it is simple or difficult? It is very simple now. See clear all symbol. After this clear all, what we need to go for? 1000. Then asterisk multiplication symbol. After that 1.121. Then again after that multiplication symbol. Again after that 1. So you need not use 1 also, right? You need not use 1 also here, right? Yes, no. Do we need to use 1 here or no need to use 1 here? No need to use 1 here, na? Because even if you are multiplying with 1 also, you will be getting the same answer or not? Yes. Into 0.913. Then you press equality symbol. Then you will be getting the answer. Okay? So this is the procedure for using the virtual calculator for this question. We'll just do it. Clear all. After clear all, what we need to do? 1000 into which one? 1.121. Again multiplication symbol. Sorry, I have given plus symbol. So what is that? 1000 into 1.121. Again multiplication symbol. Again 0.913. Then you go for equality symbol, right? What is that? 1000 into 1.121 into 0.913. You are getting which one? 1023.47. Finally, what is that answer you are getting? 1023.47 vehicles per day we are getting. So this is your answer. So is that clear all of you? How to get this? These adjustment factors or conversion factors or expansion factors are used for what? Converting the daily traffic to which one? Converting the daily traffic to a particular day traffic to weekly traffic, weekly average traffic to monthly average traffic to which one? Yearly average traffic, right? Like that these factors are useful, right? Is that clear all of you? Is that clear all of you? If it is clear, we'll proceed further. Somebody respond. If it is clear, we'll proceed further. Okay. So we'll be going with this problem, right? We'll be going with this problem, and then this is which one? Very important type of problem. On a road, the free mean speed, right? Free mean speed VF is what? 65 kmph. And the space head weight jam condition is 6.25 meters, right? What is the space head weight jam condition? Spacing under jam condition is what? 6.25 meters. Then once you know the spacing at a jam conditions, what you can get? Density at a jam conditions, na? What is the density at jam conditions? It is 1000 divided by S, you can say, right? 1000 divided by what? 6.25. Okay, that is K you will be getting, right? What is the maximum flow which could be expected on this road, right? Here if you just observe, whatever the model it is not mentioned. So which model we have to consider? Let us consider the linear model or green shield model we have to consider by default. One 1023.47 means it is 1023.5 you can note it off, right? 1023.5 you can note it off, right? Nearest integer is what? You can make it 1023 is the correct answer, right? 1023 is the correct answer, right? But to be on safer side, good day, what you are using? To be on safer side, it is better we'll round it off to 1024 or not. Either you are answering 1023 or you are answering 1024. Both are selected correct answer only. Okay, don't worry. Either you are using 1023 or you are using 1024. Both are selected as correct answer only, right? But which one is the exactly correct answer? 1023, because This one is lesser than 5 now, or if you just observe 1023.5 you can say, then you can approximately equate it to 1024. So then you can select this one. Okay, anyone is correct, right? Anyone is correct. So don't worry. This is lesser than 50, so you can round it off to 1023 only. But when you are rounding off these two decimals, it will become 0.5. So when it is 50, then you can round it off to which one? 1024, right? So they will be giving the answer such that any one will be selected as correct answer. Don't worry. To be on safer side, we'll go with 1024. Yes, na? Right. So let us take this linear model or green shield model. Then for linear model or green shield model, what is the maximum flow you can expect? Kj by 2 means jam density divided by 2 into free flow speed divided by 2, right? What is that Kj? 1000 divided by, so 1000 into what is that Vf, you can say 65 divided by 2 into 2, so no, 2 into what is that value? Sorry, 1000 by na, so it is 6.25 into 2 into 2. So tell me first which one we have to calculate, denominator or numerator? First which one we have to calculate, denominator or numerator here? First which one we have to calculate here, denominator or numerator? This already we know it as 4, so directly you can do it as which one? 1000 into which one? 65 divided by which one? 6.25 into 4. So because that you know already now. Now clear all. After clear all, what we need to do? After clear all, what we need to do? You go for 6.25, then multiplication symbol, then 4. After that equality symbol, right? Equality symbol, right? After getting this equality symbol, we have to keep it as it is, or we have to reciprocal, we have to reciprocate, right? We have to reciprocate, right? 6.25 into 4, denominator we have calculated first. After that apply reciprocal function, then after that multiplication function you apply. After multiplication, this 1000, then after 1000 again multiplication 65, then equality symbol. So is that clear? 6.25, yes or no? 6.25 into 4. First we calculate this denominator, calculate the reciprocal, right? No. Yeah, good day. Q equal to KV is maximum, right? At Q equal to Q maximum, right? Good day, it is correct only. At Q equal to Q maximum, what is that K we are having? Jam density by 2. What is that V we are having? Free flow speed, right? Free flow speed divided by 2, right? So means what is that Q maximum, you can get it here. Q maximum equal to K into V only, but what is that K value at that Q maximum? Kj by 2, jam density by 2. What is that V at that plus? Vf by 2. So is that clear now? Is that clear now? Density K at that maximum flow is how much? Density at that maximum flow is Kj by 2. Speed at the maximum flow is what? Vf by 2, right? Speed at the maximum flow is Vf by 2. Density at the maximum flow is Kj by 2, right? You have to be careful. Okay? Is that clear now? Good day? Yes or no? So this is one way of doing it, right? That is one way of doing it, or what you can do? Clear all. Then first you start with the numerator 1000. After 1000 multiplication symbol, multiplications of which one? 65. Then equality. Then you'll be getting which one? Numerator value. Then you go for what? A denominator. Then enter 6.25. Okay. Then enter which one? 6.25, right? Then again enter denominator. Then 4. So again enter which one? Sorry. Right. So first you calculate the numerator 1000 into 65, right? 1000 multiplication symbol, after that 65, after that equality. Then you will be getting which value? Some value you will be getting, right? That divided by 6.25. Then again you press equality symbol. After that again divided by 4, divided by 4, then after that equality symbol. Then you will be getting the answer, right? Either in the first way you can do it or in the second way you can do it, right? Which one is better? Which one you feel better? Which one you feel easy, all of you? First one you are feeling easy or second one you are feeling easy? Which one you feel easy? First one you feel easy or second one you feel easy? All of you, first one you feel easy or second one you feel easy? We'll proceed in the same manner using virtual calculator, whatever the way you like. Or we'll do it both. Otherwise, we'll do both. Okay? So what is it we have to do? Clear all. After this clear all, 6.25. 6.25 asterisk multiplication symbol into 4. Then you go for equality symbol, right? After that, what we need to do? Reciprocal of this one you have to calculate, na? Yes. Reciprocal we have to calculate. After reciprocal, multiply with what? 1000. Equality symbol. Then after that, again multiplication. You are getting which one? 65. Equality symbol, right? Like that. 2600 we are getting, right? 2600 we are getting here, right? So what is the answer you are getting finally? That Q maximum equal to 2600 vehicles per hour. So 2600 means which option it will be? Option A. Shall we do it by first way? Yes, we will do it by first way. Second way. 1000 into 65. Clear all? 1000 into 65. Then you go for equality symbol. After that, you go for divided by what? 6.25. Then equality symbol. Again divided by which one? 4. Equality symbol, right? You are getting the 2600, right? Both ways you are getting the same answer or not? Both ways you are getting the same answer or not, all of you? Yes, na? Both ways you are getting the same answer, na? Yes, na? Both ways you are getting the same answer, you can say, right? Both ways you are getting the same answer, you can say, right? Yes, na? Both ways we are getting the same answer, right? This. Yes, right? Now, so we'll proceed to one more problem and then we'll stop. This one, this is also similar actually, so I'll be going for next one. On an expressway, the jam density is 1000 vehicles per kilometer. What is that jam density kj we are getting? So this is slightly critical. 100 vehicles per kilometer. And at a density of, at k equal to how much? 20 vehicles per kilometer, right? At this density of 20 vehicles per kilometer, what is the speed you are having? 20 kmph. 20 kmph, right? Calculate the maximum flow using Underwood model. What is that Underwood model, you can say? What is that Underwood model, you can say? Underwood model is what? V equal to Vf into e power minus k by kj. Is it not slightly critical, all of you? Is it not slightly critical, all of you? Yes, it is slightly critical, na? Yes, it is obviously slightly critical, right? Yes, it is obviously slightly critical, you can say, right? Now, what is the given speed? 20 is given. 20 equal to what is it? Vf? Vf we don't know. Do you know Vf or we don't know Vf? We don't know Vf. Into e power minus what is that k? 20 divided by what is that kj? 100. Then you will be getting Vf value like this, right? Vf equal to what? 20 divided by e power minus 20, 200 by 20 by 100 is what? Minus 1 by 5. Can we make it or not? Yes or no? Minus 1 by 5 we can make it, right? Minus 1 by 5 we can make it, right? Like that. So tell me, clear all. After clear all, what we need to do? Which symbol we have to use, all of you now? E power x symbol is there, na? Or you can also write it as which one? 20 into e power 1 by 5. Yes, na? 20 into e power 1 by 5, right? So what is that we have to do it here? If you just observe, this way you try to simplify it. After simplifying this, what you can write? 20, then asterisk symbol, multiplication, then e power x symbol, then open a bracket. Okay, or without opening bracket also we can do it, no problem. Without opening bracket also we can do it, right? E power, sorry, first e power x we have to write, or first value we have to write? First value we have to write, no? Functional value we have to write, no? So then what you will do? 1 by 5, 1 by 5 we have to enter, right? What is that? 1 by 5 or 0.2? 1 by 5, or you can also write it as which one? 0.2, or we'll just go for this, open a bracket, 1 divided by 5, then you go for which one? E power x, then equality symbol. Okay, or you can do it in other way as which one? First you go with this one, right? That will be easy to avoid confusion there, right? No need to use additional brackets, right? Then it's simple. You go for which one? 1 divided by symbol, then 5, then you select which one? E power x. That's it, right? You'll be getting the answer, right? Then again you go for multiplication, 20, equality symbol, right? So like that, second one is easy enough to avoid confusion. So e power 1 by 5 into 20 we have to use it, right? So we just observe how to multiply. Clear all. 1 divided by 5, equality symbol of which one? E power x. E power x of which one? 1 divided by 5. Okay. Multiply with 20. That's it. You'll be getting which answer? 24.43 as the answer you are getting. So what is that? VF equal to 24.43 as the answer you are getting, right? So that VF equal to what is that value? 24.43 kmph. Okay, here after entering this 5 we have to enter which one? Equality symbol to get this answer, right? Equality symbol we have to get this. Okay, now what is that? Underwood model. Based on the Underwood model, what is that Q maximum? K into V only. What is the density at Q maximum? If you just observe, Kj is the density at Q maximum for Underwood model into what is that V? V is nothing but Vf by E, right? V is nothing but Vf by E, right? What is that Kj? 100. 100 into what is that Vf? Vf is nothing but 24.43 we have got now. 24.43 we have got now, divided by E. Yes, no? So directly we have got the answer already, right? Yes or no? From the previous one already we have got the answer, right? From the previous one continuation, right? From the previous one continuation, 24.43 we have got, equality symbol. Then what we need to do? Multiplication symbol, 100. Again equality symbol. Again you go for divided by. Then you go for which one? E. Then equality symbol, like that. So already we have got this 24.43 now. So no need to calculate it again. No need to type it again, right? It was there already in the calculator. It is already there in the calculator. 24.43 is there now. Yes, yes, right. Yeah, only you are responding. Yes, correct, right? So 24.43 you multiply with which one? Apply multiplication symbol and 100. Yes or no? Then equality symbol. Then after that what you are having? 24.43 into 100 divided by E na? Yes or no? Divided by E. Where is that E constant? If you just observe before that hyperbole, below that hyperbole functions, E is there na? Yes, divided by E. Equality symbol. So what is that you are getting? 898.66. Yes na? What is that? Answer you are getting? 898.66 vehicles per hour. So this is your Q maximum, right? 898.66 means what is the nearby answer? 899 is there. So is that clear all of you? Is that clear all of you that using exponential model to find out the maximum flow using the virtual calculator? There is a logarithmic model also you are having. You just to try on your own, right? Shall we do it or you will try on your own? This logarithmic model Q maximum also, shall we do it or you will try on your own? Will you try this or we'll try we'll do it here? Will you try or we'll do it here? If you say you will try, okay. If you say you will try, I'll just leave it here. Okay, thank you all of you. So these are some questions on which one this virtual calculator usage, how to use this virtual calculator. Mostly these type of problems only will be there in the virtual. So we will try here. Okay, okay. We'll do it now. Don't worry. We'll do it. Don't worry. Right. The speed density relationship. In ESC some numbers, right? There are some tricks, right? Vedic mathematics tricks you can use. So that can be used. That is another way, right? That is another way. That I'll take one special class in Unacademy learning app. Okay, don't worry. For ESC without a calculator, for state PSC without a calculator, how to solve the questions? Is not how to solve the questions. Uh, I'll just take one Unacademy class. Okay, all of you are following my profile or not following? If you are not following my profile, you just try to follow my profile, right? So this is my profile, unacademy.com/@rpcivil. You can find this link in the description. When you just scroll down the description, you can find this link. Click on this, you will be redirected to Unacademy. Then my profile will be open. Just click follow. Okay. Kirti will solve it. Don't worry. We are solving it here. Don't worry. Right. So the speed density relationship of a traffic on a section of highway was established as. No, they won't be asking, right? They won't be asking in ESC examination, right? In ESC examination, Underwood model and logarithmic model will never be asked. Okay, because that is not there in the syllabus, right? In ESC, only the linear model will be asked. Green shield model will be asked, right? Even if nothing is mentioned, also we have to use linear model or green shield model only. Only for GATE, this Underwood model and exponential comes into picture. Suppose. Sir, suppose if they have given, what will happen? Even if they are giving, they'll be just giving this log of some value. Okay. If you just observe what they will be mentioning, e power minus 1 by 5 value they will be mentioning. Okay, e power minus 1 by 5 value they will be mentioning, or e power 1 by 5 value they will be giving in the question. Okay, they will be giving the question itself, right? That kind of facility will be there. Don't worry. Right. So u equal to u or v, whatever it is, right? V equal to 20 into log. Log means what? Natural logarithm, no? Log 100 by k to the base c. What is that exponential model or Greenberg model? What is the format? V equal to Vf into which one? Log kj by k, na? V equal to Vf into log kj by k, right? Yes or no? V equal to Vf into log kj by k. Then what is that Q maximum? What is that Q maximum? Q maximum equal to K into V only. What is the density at maximum flow? Kj by E. In GATE 2012, if you just observe, this question was given. The speed density relationship is logarithmic V equal to Vf into log Kj by K. Right? They are given something like that, right? And what is the density at maximum flow? They have mentioned. Kj by 2, Kj by E, Kj, many options they are given. What is that answer? Kj by E is the density at maximum flow into Vf. So you have to be careful. Linear model means, if it is the linear model or green shield model, Kj by 2 into Vf by 2. Underwood model, Kj by E into, right? Underwood model, Kj into Vf by E. Greenberg model, Kj by E into Vf, you can say, right? If you just observe, what is that Q maximum? Q maximum equal to Kj by 2 into Vf by 2, right? What is the density at maximum flow? kj by 2. Speed at maximum flow, Vf by 2. This is for linear or green shield model. Green shield model or linear model, you can say. Now, what is another one for Underwood model? Kj into Vf by E. So, what is the density at maximum flow? Kj. Speed at maximum flow? Vf by E. This is for Underwood model or exponential model. Next, Kj by E into Vf in case of which one? Greenberg model, or you can also call it as which one? Logarithmic model, right? So is it clear all of you? You can remember these values now? Now for this, what is that? If you just observe, what is that Vf you can say? From this, what is that Vf you can say? Vf is nothing but 20 kmph or not? V equal to Vf into log kj by k, right? It is in that format only now. Vf is 20. What is that kj you can say now? Kj by k, right? Kj by k, right? What is that kj? 100 vehicles per kilometer. Then what is that q maximum you can say now? Kj by e, right? Kj means what? 100 divided by e into what? Vf. What is that Vf? 20. So it is very simple now. Clear all? After that, what we need to do? 100 multiplication symbol, multiplication function. Then after that, 20. Then equality symbol. After that, divided by function. Then e equality function. Like that you are doing it, right? Like that you have to, that is a sequence of functions. 100 into 20 by e. We'll do it here. Clear all? 100 into 20 equality symbol, okay, divided by e equality symbol, right? You are getting which one? 735.76. So what is the q maximum we are getting? 735.76 vehicles per hour. So this is so we need to solve traffic engineering problems using the virtual calculator for GATE, right? This is how we have to solve this traffic engineering problems based on which one? Virtual calculator, right? Is that clear, everyone? Now you can solve this without any difficulty now. So this 50 days PYQ is going on. These are the links for different branches of engineering. Yes or no? So these are our faculty, 3 faculty we are teaching in English language, RP sir, KP sir and AR sir. RP Civil is the code you have to use whenever you are joining in Unacademy new, or if you are subscribing for the plus courses also. Okay, plus courses or iconic courses or whatever the courses you are joining, use the code RP Civil. Okay, these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy plus platform. This is my code RP Civil, right? All of you are following my profile. Follow me. If not, these are all the plus courses already have completed. These are all the plus courses already have completed. This is ongoing, and these two will be upcoming, right? Railway engineering, airport, tunnel, harbor will come in future. So these are all the advantages when you are using the code RP Civil. This is my profile, right? All of you are following my profile or not? If not following, you just click on this one. In the description, you can find this link. You can click on that. You will be redirected to my profile directly, right? So you just observe. Right, again we will be meeting in which class? Again we will be meeting on which day? Next class on what? 26/12. 8 AM. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day, right? Again we'll be meeting in the next class. Thank you all.